How to reset or recover forgotten TikTok account password. So if you want to reset or recover your TikTok account password, then first you need to open up your TikTok. And once you open your TikTok, now you can simply go for profile, which will be on the bottom right, and you can log into your TikTok. So simply choose any option that you are comfortable with. And I'll be choosing the first option, which is phone number, email, or username. So go for email and username and enter your email address on the first blank. And once you enter your email address, tap on continue. And now it will ask you to enter your password. But you don't remember your password, right? So if you want to reset or recover that, then go for forgot password. And here you can choose your phone number or your email address. I only have the email, so I'll be choosing email address. You can also choose your phone number if you have access to that. So here you need to enter your email address and tap on reset. And now you will receive an email code to your email address. So simply open up your mail. But if you have choose your phone number, then you will get the code to your phone number. So here on the upper side of your screen, you will have this TikTok code. You need to simply copy that code. And once you enter the code, it will automatically log you in. So that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.